What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye8231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the mass airflow sensor, also known as the MAF sensor, on a 2003 Toyota 4Runner. This is the limited 4.7 V8, and so I'll put a link in the description of the mass airflow sensor you will need to replace this that you can purchase, but this is a super quick and easy procedure. This is after hours, late at night, but we're going to get it done anyway because it's so easy. So I apologize for the light. Need this vehicle to work for me tomorrow, so we're going to go ahead and get it done. I'm going to post a video right now where it's going to cut to what it sounds like when the MAF sensor or the mass airflow sensor is needing to be changed. All right, so sometimes people say you can clean these, but we're just gonna go ahead and put a new one in because it's not worth it. It's like 50 bucks online, 70 bucks at your local auto parts store. All you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So we'll go ahead and take these screws loose. It's just 2 screws. This is the air box. Once those screws are loose, we're going to take them out so that we don't lose them. So I'm going to put them right here in the little crevice of the vehicle. All right, and so then you're going to want to take this clip and you're going to push down on the center and you're going to pull. Actually, you may want to unplug it before you do that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this unplugged with it since I already took the screws out. But go ahead and unplug it before you take the screws out when you do it. All right, so once you got it out, I had to put 2 hands on it so I could hold the sensor in place. You're gonna put your new sensor in the exact same position. And you are going to screw it in. Again, you don't wanna plug it in yet because it's not secure. So we're gonna screw it in. We're gonna make sure it's nice and tight. So, all right, then we're going to plug the sensor back in, make sure it's good and tight. It clicks. That is how you change the mass airflow sensor on a 2003 Toyota 4Runner. This should be the same from 2003 all the way to like 2010. The air box is in a slightly different position on some of the V6s, but it'll be right here off of the air box, just like this, because this is right where the air intake is for the vehicle. So that is how you clean or change the mass airflow sensor. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to comment if you have any questions, and I would be happy to try to respond to those and help you out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.